Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, we're going to talk about different apps and websites that will pay you to do something that you are honestly probably already doing. Nobody likes long intros, so let's jump into it. So number one on the list is Freecash. So Freecash is a platform that will pay users to do a bunch of little tasks, such as playing games, completing mini surveys, as well as signing up and testing different apps and services. So I actually recently tested Freecash and was able to make a surprising amount of money for literally mostly playing games on my phone. And of course I made a video about this, so if you're curious, I will include it in one of these corners so you can see exactly what I did and how much money I made. But pretty much what I like about Freecash is that they have a variety of different types of offers, because doing one type of task, such as, I don't know, doing surveys or like only playing video games, so only signing up for things, can be a little bit repetitive and can get a little bit boring. But with Freecash, they have so many different types of offers, which I definitely didn't feel bored when I was testing it. So that's something that I like about Freecash. So in terms of the income potential, users can earn anywhere from a few cents to a few dollars per tasks. And depending on how often you use the app and how many tasks you end up completing, you can actually make a pretty decent amount of money for doing something as fun as playing games. So the next one on the list is OnMyWay. So I recently discovered this app and I really love the idea behind it. Pretty much what OnMyWay is, it's an app that will pay users for not texting and driving. I mean, if that's not an incentive to just be safe and be a good member of society, then I don't know what is. I feel like this app is like the definition of getting paid to do something that you should be doing anyways. So in terms of the earning potential, users can earn about 5 cents for every mile driven without texting, with some occasional bonus opportunities. And obviously the potential earnings can vary depending on your driving habits, how often you drive, you know, if you commute to work every day versus if you work from home. So if you are a safe driver or if you need an incentive to not text and drive, OnMyWay can be a great platform for you to check out. And of course, I'll include the link down below. So the next one is Upside, which is an app that I recently tested. So Upside is an app that will give you cash back on gas purchases at participating gas stations. We all know that gas is very expensive right now. I don't know about you guys, but every time I can offset my gas expenses a little bit, I always jump on that opportunity. And I actually recently tried Upside for the first time. So what I ended up doing, my gas tank was pretty full that day, but I really wanted to test this app. So I went and filled up my gas tank to full, which costed me about $9. I then uploaded my receipt and got $1 cash back, which is actually a pretty great amount. Obviously, it's all going to depend on how much gas you purchase and at which station, but either way, it is pretty cool to make some of the money back every time you have to fill up your gas tank. So in terms of earning potentials, users typically earn between 10 cents to 25 cents per gallon, with a potential to earn about $5 to $20 per month to put towards your gas expenses. So I personally think that's a really cool app and I really enjoyed using it. So if you want to test Upside, make sure to use my code down below to get extra 15 cents per gallon the first time you use the app. So number 4 on our list is Seated, which is also another app that I absolutely love. And if you never heard of Seated before, Seated will offer you cash back on dining at participating restaurants. And I'm talking actually a very healthy amount of cash back. This app also serves as a reservation app, so everything can be done inside of Seated. So in terms of the earning potential, this app can give you anywhere between like 3% to sometimes over 20% cash back on your bill. So for example, if your bill was $100, you can sometimes get over $20 back, which, you know, will reduce your bill quite significantly. I actually used to use this app quite a bit when I lived in New York City and worked in sales and had to take clients out for dinners and lunches pretty frequently. I would use this app and then upload the receipt. It would pretty much get cash back on meals that I would then also expense through my work. So yeah, I was pretty much living my best life. So you can redeem that cash back on different things such as Amazon, gift cards, Uber, Starbucks, Lyft, Airbnb, and a lot of other brands. So if you have the type of job where you constantly have to take people out, or, you know, if you want to take your girlfriend or your boyfriend out for dinner and reduce your bill. So in all transparency, Seated is not available everywhere. They primarily focus on like large cities in the US. However, if you happen to be living in one of these places, Seated could be a very great app to use. So last but not least is LivelySteps, which is an app that will pay you to literally just walk. Okay, I heard they said that sitting is like the new smoking, so maybe I should go take a quick walk and then come back.
A few moments later.
Alright, I'm back from my little walk, so let's finish this video. So LivelySteps rewards users for staying active by tracking their steps and offering rewards for achieving fitness goals. In terms of the earning potential, so this app doesn't really pay you in cash, but it allows you to earn gift cards and other rewards based on the number of steps taken and goals achieved. Potential earnings can be anywhere between like $5 to $10 per month, sometimes more, obviously depending on how much you walk or how active you are, which is not a lot of money, but you know, I don't know a lot of places or apps that will pay you to literally just walk or for doing something that you really should be doing because walking is good for you.
And by the way, if you enjoyed this video, you might like this one as well, so make sure to check it out.
Once again, I'll include all the links and codes down below. But if you want to see more videos about side hustles and entrepreneurship, make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that like button because it really helps me grow here on YouTube. And I'll see you in the next one. All right, I'm gonna go for a walk.